Yeah, so there's Alex. We're out here at 10 in the morning to watch this thing go off.
Your Sprite exploded.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, and me too.
Oh, how unfortunate. Maybe he doesn't want to get out of the tree. Who's ready to go deaf if it actually works this time? Hey.
That time we tried to run away.
That was you, not me. No, I just said I'd walk with you, and then I went back home the next night. So yeah, there's that piece of machinery over there.
It's gonna make a loud noise, I think.
Oh, probably. It's only a tornado siren, and they're testing it in like 3 minutes. No big deal. Sydney, time.
56.
4 minutes until we die. Got it.
I'm gonna play on my phone, and it's just gonna randomly go off and be like...
And then you're gonna drop it on a car, and it's gonna break a windshield.
1 second, someone called me.
It was me.
I gotta call me back.
No! It's not gonna answer.
He's making beeping noises. I feel like I'm gonna die. Yeah, I don't.
That's nice.
Isn't that lovely? Who's ready to die? Here's another question. I forgot the question.
Oh.
I've got shaky cam going on, per normal, usual. Yeah. Stale Sprite with random crumbs all over it. Tastes like soil. Oh yes. Cindy's almost spit taking over there. I don't know why.
Because I saw a worm crawl and then it got eaten.
Blake shot water all over me.
That was 2 days ago.
That was pretty weird.
I screamed, the duck walked up to the lemonade stand, and then he goes,
And
and it was like a water fountain going on.
very wet.
Oh, did you now?
Mitch said that all he could hear from the basement was a bunch of loud, like, demonic screams.
Me too.
All from Michael.
Yep. Demonic screams. I recorded that. It's a 10-minute video. But I didn't get when he water fountained all over the basement.
My floor is very wet.
Yeah, I sat in it. Guys, 2 minutes until we die.
Why would you sit in it, Alex? What?
Because I had to put my shoes on and they happened to be right there.
But you didn't. All you had to do was pick up your shoes and go somewhere else.
But it's a lot of work to go somewhere else.
Should I put my camera in a different mode or is this good?
That should be fine.
Wow, wee.
It's a plane. Woo-wee.
I have really shaky camera.
Why are there so many cars here? There's no one here.
Dude, right? Oh, there's someone. A small child.
Meaning.
We should hear the thingy thing. Thingy thing.
The Morse code kind of thing?
Yeah, that thing. I don't know what it's called anymore. Because winter.
Someone should, like, walk up to it and
It should be going off in less than a minute.
I am not gonna go stand in front of a tornado siren,
A
Alex.
minute before it goes off.
We should totally do that, Michael. That seems like a
No. I do want to hear some things, I just don't want to hear other things. Like Southern Middle School. That word I don't want to hear ever again.
Like your mom's bedroom.
What?
They all did that. I have to hold on to the branch because I know I'm going to get scared when it randomly goes off.
I'm gonna drop my phone.
You're gonna be like, the tornado train's about to get off, go off. Right?
Get off.
Get off.
It's gonna take off in outer space.
It should be going off in what? Now?
That's right, you drive your car.
Please, but don't right past.
Oh god, here goes.
That was a lot quieter than I thought.
Yeah, I remember it a lot louder than that. Let's see if anything else
You
happens.
can hear it off in the distance.
Whoa, we can.
You can hear it echoing back.
Ooh, wait, what's that?
What's what?
What the?
This is the monthly test of the outdoor warning siren system. This is only a test. No action is required. Repeating. This is the monthly test of the outdoor warning siren system. This is only a test. No action is required.
I don't think he knows how to turn it off.
Stop holding down the button.
What is that sound?
He wants to go closer to it.
No, it's about to make another noise.
Really?
Yes. I know how these work. It sounds like my future just dying away.
Can we make it closer now?
No. What the heck is that doing over there?
It's exploding. It's
Can we
exploding.
tell that lady is about to go off again?
It sounds like it's constipated. It has to fart really bad.
You're a disappointment.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
That's right.
That's good.
Yep.
What is this dialogue we're
This
having?
is going to break.
I don't have a
Dude,
teammate.
what is that noise it's making?
In fact, I got salty when it said teammate, because I'm not a teammate.
Stop pouring your Coke everywhere.
Stop it, I want that. Damn it.
What is that sound it's making?
Don't worry about it.
Is it going off again or not?
It's supposed to make another sound.
This is the other sound.
No, I mean on the actual thing.
This is the sound.
Okay, it sounds like it's dying. Like,
Who's gonna hear that?
go away. No one loves you or your car. Uh-huh. I think they forgot how to operate these things.
Yeah, I don't think they know how to
It didn't go off the other day when there was a storm, and it should have twice. Actually, 4 times that day. It should have gone off, and it
I almost
didn't.
dropped my phone. My phone went.
Michael,
What, ma'am?
to my house.
In a moment.
I want to kill the...
It sounded like he was eating the microphone at first. Did it taste good?
Alright, are we done here or is it?
I don't know. It sounds like it's being electrocuted.
It sounds like they're trying to get it to go off again and it's not working. I think the box blew out because it was like.
It wouldn't be making a noise then. I could understand almost none of what he said. It sounded like.
I'm pretty sure the microphone was like down his throat.
Did it taste good?
Yeah.
Because it was making some
I bet
spoopy
this is
noise.
the microphone, he just went,
No, this is the microphone.
Cook flip.
My mom tried to do a bottom flip, and then she landed it, but she tried to do it again, and it landed on top of the other one.
What?
Somehow, my mom is getting too powerful. Stop praying for her. She's broken out of the hospital, and they can't catch her.
I know, right?
Dude.
And then.
It sounds like someone went to Home Depot and they could throw a bunch of shovels on the ground. You okay? You okay?
Die. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you okay?
I'm gonna pause mine until it goes off again. Do a backflip.
What?
I was waiting for the tree branch just to fall off.
Go.
Okay, I'm gonna stop filming now.
pat pat.